Hello everyone, I am Ambuj, faculty of BCA department from Technia Institute of Advanced Studies. Today I am going to deliver lecture on classification of computer. So now classification of computer in a three parts. First is a digital, second is analog and third is a hybrid. And further digital are divided into a two parts. First one is general purpose and second one is the size and performance. And general purpose is also categorized in a special purpose and general purpose. So special purpose and general purpose again classify into a five parts: embedded, micro, mini, mainframe and supercomputer. So firstly I can explain what is an analog computer. Analog computers are used to process continuously data. Analog computer represent variables by physical quantities. Thus, any computer which solve problem by translating physical condition such as flow, temperature, pressure, angular position or voltage into related mechanical or electrical related circuit as any analog for the physical phenomena being investigated in a journal. It is a computer with use an analog quantity and process analog values as output. Thus, an analog computer measure continuous. Analog computers are very much speedy. They produce their result very fast, but their result are approximately correct. All time their result are not correctly, but related to approx, near to approx result. All the analog computers are special purpose computer. Now second is digital computers. Digital computer represent a physical quantities with the help of digits or numbers. These numbers are used to perform arithmetic calculation and also make a logical decision to reach a conclusion depending on the data they receive from the user. Now third is hybrid computers. Various specially designed computers are with both digital and analog characteristics, combining the advantages of analog and digital computers when working as a system. Hybrid computers are being used extensively in process and control system where it is necessary to have a close representation with the physical world. The hybrid system produce the good precious that can be attended with the analog computers and the greater control that is possible with digital computers, plus the ability to accept the input data in either form. Now next is a supercomputer. Large scientific and research laboratories as well as the government organization have extraordinary demand for processing data which required high processing speed, memory and other services which may not be provided with any other category to meet their needs. Therefore, very large computer users are called supercomputer. These computers are extremely expensive and the speed is measured in billion of instruction per second. Now next is a mini computer. Mini computers are smaller than mainframe both in size and other facilities such as speed, storage, capacity and other services. There are any versatile that they can be fitted wherever they are needed. Their speed are rated between 1 and 50 million instructions per second or MIPS in a short form of million per second. They have primary storage at 100 or 300 megabyte range with direct access storage device. Now next is a microcomputers. There are the smallest range of computer. They were introduced in the earliest 70s, having less storing space and processing speed. Microcomputers of today are equivalent to the mini computers of yesterday in terms of performing and processing. They are also called a computer of a chip because its entire circuit is contained in one tiny chip. The microcomputer have a wide range of application including use a portable computer that can be plugged into any wall. So I hope everyone understand the topic of classification computer. Thank you very much.